Students, so welcome to the class of English 1, and in our last class we have done this chapter, no means the poem we have done blue and yellow mixing, and we have done some exercises, and this much we have completed. So next we will start from here, learn about language. So here in this portion, this is an exercise of this and that. Okay, so first of all you have to understand when do we use this and when do we use that. When something is very near to us, see here, suppose this, so this copy is near me, no, here, so here I will use this. Whatever things are near us, we use this is. And the things which are far away, far, see, this is far, no, that girl is far from him, so that is my friend. This is my pen, that is Lata's house, see, so far he is pointing and showing. So the things which are near us, we use this for the things, that thing, and which is far from us, we use that for that thing. Okay, this is my book, that is my friend. This is my pen, that is Lata's house. So the people or thing which is near us, we use this. We use this for people and things which are thing which is near us, and we use that for people or thing which is far from us. Okay, so let's see what is there in the exercise. Underline the correct answer. Number 1, this or that star is shining brightly in the sky. So star is in front of you or in your hand or where near you? No, the star is very far from us in the sky. So this or that star, that star is shining brightly in the sky. Next you see, I found this or that coin on the road. Means someone is showing, no, that see, I found this coin, because the coin is with him or her, in his or her hand. Okay, so see, I have found this coin on the road. I want to go to this park or that park even though it is far away. What it will be, this or that? I want to go to this or that park even though it is far away. From here only we can understand that the park is far, so we have to write that park. I want to go to that park though it is far away. Next you see, this or that is the old charge. If we walk, it will take us 10 minutes to reach. 10 minutes to reach means the charge is far. So that is the old charge. If we walk, it will take 10 minutes. Okay, this much we have done. Next you see, look at this picture. Imagine you are one of the people in this picture. Okay, imagine that you are one of these people. Okay, so now describe what you see around you using this is and that is. Means you have to say a few sentences seeing this picture and thinking that you are one of them, and your sentence must be with this is and that is. Okay, so this is your homework. Next you see, in language lab portion, short I sound and long I sound. Short I sound means pin, kid, read. Okay, the I which we pronounce for a short time and which we pronounce for a long time, it is long I sound. Suppose, for example, pine, ride, kite. Okay, these are some of the long I sounds, and these are the short I sounds. Okay, so here draw a circle around the words that have the short I sound. Draw a rectangle around the words that have the long I sound. Okay, you have to draw a circle around the words which have short I sound, and rectangle around the words which have long I sound. So shine, is it short or long? Yes, it is long I sound, so rectangle. And then you see ring, it is short I sound. Next is ripe. Ripe, it will be long I sound, and tip, it will be short I sound. Hide, long I sound. Did, short I sound. Bid, short I sound. Kind, long I sound. Kid, short I sound. Pipe, long I sound. Time, long I sound. Kind is long I sound, and ping, short I sound. Okay, so these are the words which are having short and long I sound words. Okay, next you see, when we meet someone for the first time, we'll tell them our names. Is it? Yes, when we meet someone for the first time, we tell them our names and something about ourselves. This is called introducing yourself. Preeti is new in the class. She has a friend, Radha. She has a friend, Radha. Preeti introduces Radha to the class. Okay. So, this is introducing each other. Okay. So, here Preeti is new in the class. Okay. She has a friend whose name is Radha, and Preeti is introducing Radha to the class. So, let us listen to Preeti now. Means the words are spoken by Preeti. Hello, my name is Preeti. As Preeti is introducing, so my name is Preeti. So I am 8 years old. I am from where? From Badarpur. What place? So let it be, I am from any place you can write. Jorhat. Now I live in Silchar. Any place you can write here, okay? I like playing Ludo in my free time. My favorite animal is what? A rabbit. This is Radha. She is my friend. She lives She also likes playing Ludo. She helps me with my school homework. So this you write. This means introducing each other, okay? Introducing your friend. So here is an is a question. Make a circle of 6. Then introduce the friend sitting on your right. This, do you remember, students? This we have done in our class already. You have introduced each other, no? You have introduced your friends, and then you told about their hobbies. So this at present now it's not possible, but we have done this in our class, no? We have already done this exercise. So next, let us see what is the question. Composition portion. Radha has a painting competition in school. She has made a list of all the things she needs. Read the list. See, Radha has a painting competition. Now, while going to the competition, she will require some things, no? So, Radha will forget. So, she writes here the names of all the things. Hardboard, crayons, color pencils, pencil, eraser, white sheet of paper. Okay? Radha writes this and kept so that it becomes easy for her to carry them, otherwise she will forget. So like this, similarly, make a similar list of things that you want to do during your vacation. This also will be your homework, means you have to make a list of things. Like this list you will make that you want to do in vacation. Okay, next you see, play the color game, a game of color hunt. Play the game color hunt. Okay, look at the list of colors. See, here some list of colors are given: yellow, blue, red, black, white. Okay, in your house, now listen carefully students, in your house look for things of these colors. You have to look for things of these colors, then write down the names of the things. Okay, suppose in your house you will look down things of different colors. Okay, yellow, blue, red, black, white. Whatever things you find are of yellow color, you will write here. Okay, suppose lemon, you will write here lemon. Then you will come to blue color. Whatever things you find in your house that are of blue color, you will write here name. Okay, red color you will write here, black you will write in this place, and white you will write here. Okay, means you have to see, you have to move around your house and see what things you are having of these colors, and then you have to according to the color names, you have to write the name of the things. Okay, so this also. So this is your class for today. You do this and submit.